What do you want me to do with it? I'm going to pick it up. Oh, that's heavy. That's heavy. Why don't you put the toys in it? Put your trucks in it. Put the trucks in the wagon. Put them in. We'll give them a ride. Thank you. Whee! Oh, you took them out? Put the plane in the wagon. Can you put the airplane in the wagon? Is it too big? See if it can fit in the wagon. Yeah, that's heavy. Put him in here. I'll give him a ride. Put the airplane in the wagon. Here. Put it in. Good job. Whee! There, now the airplane's flying. It's going to get you. It's coming to get you. It's coming to get you. I'm going to get Sebastian. Woo. Good job.